This is really cool. Not a typical sports book. It's a sports book slots, a sports bar. You got the radio show here, 98.9, filming live here. Seafood shack. Craving crab legs, lobster, a shrimp. By the way, it is a Sunday afternoon here, and it's pretty packed. You would think these folks have homes to go to, that they've had their fill of gambling, but they're still out here full force. And yeah, that's nothing new here in Vegas yet. Right now, Vegas is just on fire. Every single weekend, sellout crowd. Hotel rates, entertainment, everything is like peak pricing, which is just another way of saying this shit is expensive out here. So there's a food court over here and a CVS, which is very convenient. This is one of those things that is really hard to find here on the Vegas Strip. Right here in Treasure Island, it's built into the mall, so that's really nice. And you know, you want yourself some Popeyes or Chinese, that's a good deal here. And that's the thing about Treasure Island. It is a much more family-friendly, cost-conscious casino. So you're going to get a good deal if you decide to stay here. Senior Frogs with the Beatles montage. Now, there is a downside, though. That downside is the fact that it's not exactly the nicest place. At least when it comes to the rooms. The rooms here are just a tad dated. Yeah, this guy, you know, that's what he's thinking about. He's thinking about, should I book here because the rooms aren't so nice? But let me give you, how would I say, give you a sort of counter argument why it's worth staying here. All right, the counter argument is that, boom, one, it's cheaper. It's a good deal. Oftentimes, especially when it's not a busy week, you can find deals here for under 50 bucks. Easy, week in, week out. I'm not counting the resort fee, but yeah, that's amazing considering the second scenario. That second scenario is that it's right here smack dab in the middle of the Vegas Strip. That makes a difference. The Vegas Strip, like, it's huge. I'm telling you right now, it's a lot of effort to walk around. It's a lot of effort to find your way from one end to the other, and it's so convenient to stay here. I can't even tell you how nice it is to just be able to walk out, because there's not a big property. All right, it's not like some of these other ones, like Caesars, where it takes you a fortnight to find your way from your room to the street. This one's pretty quick still. I would say it's a mid-size casino resort. So yeah, that's a, ooh, hey, hello there. Gillies. That's what we just passed right here. That's Gillies right there. There you go. Gillies. Yeah, so that's the second benefit. All right, right here, smack dab. And the third thing is that most of these huge casinos now pretty much only give you two options to eat, right? It's the high-end celebrity chef restaurant, which is super expensive, or buffets, which are super hard to get into. This is a nice lounge here. I really like the decor. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's very old school feel, huh? From what I can tell here, they have a huge variety of restaurants from low end to high end, so it's very convenient to find something at your price point, one, but second, availability. It is real hard to find places to eat here on a weekend, like prime time, noon, right? Everything's packed. We're actually really hungry, so we're thinking of getting something to eat in here. Maybe at the coffee shop. She's thinking desserts. I'm looking at omelets. This gives you an idea of the pricing. So everything in Vegas is a little inflated. So when I say that Treasure Island is a good deal, I'm still saying that an all-American breakfast is about $17, right? And we're just talking about the typical kind of thing you get like a Denny's restaurant. Burger, $18.95, right there. That looks like a pretty legit burger, right? Shoot, a grilled cheese, $16.95. So these are Vegas prices. Don't get me wrong here. Don't get me wrong. All right, here we go. Phil's Steakhouse. I mean, pretty much every casino resort's gotta have a steakhouse. Let's see how much their high-end steak is, right? This is what their seafood dish looks like here. It's about 50 bucks. It's about, yeah, it's not bad for a Vegas pricing here. All right, there we go.
That's it.
All right, ribeye, New York strip, those are my favorites. 79 bucks, $92. Yeah, that's a little on the high end. Just a little. But is it a nice place? It's a nice place. Look at the decor of this place. This is really nice. It's beautiful. Hey, you too. All right, so that was just the entire casino floor that we just walked. As you can see, it's relatively smaller. Down this way, you have the Mystery Show, which I think at this point is one of the longest Cirque du Soleil shows here in Las Vegas. It's been around. It's been around a long time. I don't think I've actually seen it. The Cirque du Soleil show, Mystery. Have you seen it, babe? I don't think
We've
so.
seen one, Cirque du Soleil, but I don't know which one was that.
Yeah, I've seen a couple. They're all, honestly, they're all amazing. You seriously cannot go wrong with any of them. I mean, by the way, this is just to go buy a ticket. Look at this decor here, right? Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. I would love to decorate my roof at home like this. So you must believe that the way the stage is set up is 10 times more beautiful, baby. 10 times. Let's check out the gift shop right here. Because you're so mesmerized by the show, you feel like afterwards you have to come and buy a mug and a snail for whatever reason.
For sure, there's a snail, famous snail
In the show. I bet you're right. That snail's everywhere, man. It's like the star of the show. Imagine being a stage performer and the snail generates more sales when it comes to merch. Laugh alone with life. That sounds depressing. All right, y'all. I think that's the entire Treasure Island. Hope you guys enjoy this walking tour. Make sure you subscribe for more awesomeness. Hey, you know what? I'm willing to bet these are some of the performers.